Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Prof YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to import different tokens to your MetaMask wallet. To import different tokens to your MetaMask wallet. In the link of this or in the description of this video, you'll see a link to how to create a MetaMask wallet, how to add networks, the different networks to the MetaMask wallet under or in the description of this video. And in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to they import the tokens to your MetaMask wallet. So let's get started. You click on the MetaMask icon here. Once you click on it, you now sign in with your password. That's if you've already created an account. And then wait for it to open. So once it opens here, by default, you will just see the main tokens of the particular network that will be there. Under Ethereum, it will be Ethereum. Under maybe Binance Smart Chain, it will be BNB. Can you see? So if I want to now add other tokens that are under these particular networks, how do we go about it? So let's go back to Ethereum mainnet. So what we'll be doing, we'll be using two sites. You can either use CoinMarketCap so that you get the correct token address or smart contract, or you use CoinGecko here. Okay, so let's say I want to add the USDC coin to my MetaMask. I click on USDC coin, it will load. Okay, then once you scroll down, you see under here where it says contracts. Are you seeing? That's the particular address, the contract address of the particular token. So you can see under USDC, the first one there is what? The Ethereum network. You can click here to see more. You have USDC under Solana, under Binance Smart Chain, under what? Phantom, under XDAI. You can just scroll down under several networks. So let's say I want to add USDC ERC20, that is the Ethereum USDC. I click on copy address, then go back to my MetaMask. Are you seeing? Go back to my MetaMask and then load it. Once it comes up, I'll now scroll down to where it says import tokens. Are you seeing this? You click on import, then I paste that contract address. Can you see it here? Immediately USDC coin comes up. Are you seeing? Okay, so immediately you paste it. Just watch it loads. Sorry, I closed it. You click on import, you paste the contract address, you click on the token, you see the corresponding token there, and you click on next, then you click on what? Import. So once you click on import, you can now go back. So under your Ethereum network, you can see you have Ethereum, which comes once you add the network. Then you see what? USDC. You understand? USDC. This particular USDC is for the Ethereum network. You understand? So if you want to put or you want to add USDC to your let's say Binance Smart Chain contract, you select the networks, you scroll down, select the Binance Smart Chain. That's if you've added it already. Then you go back to the coin, in this case USD coin. Then you go here where it says more, and then you scroll to where it says Binance Smart Chain. You copy the address here. Please make sure you only add addresses or import tokens from trusted websites. Like you copy the original contract address so you don't fall into scammers or people who would take away your funds or compromise your wallet. So that's why I recommend coming towards CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. So let's add the USDC coin under what? Under the Binance Smart Chain. You understand? So you copy the contract address for the Binance Smart Chain. This is what we copied. Then we go to your MetaMask. Go to MetaMask and let it open. Once it opens up, once it opens up, then you come down and click on what? Import tokens. Then you add the address. Can you see it? Once you add the address, the symbol comes up, the decimal. You don't need to touch anything. You scroll down and you see add custom token. Then you see import tokens, import tokens. Then you go back. You can see it here under assets. You see the USDC for what? Binance Smart Chain. So let's use CoinGecko to add another coin to the platform. Let's say we want to add BUSD. That is the Binance USD. You click on it here. You scroll down, the same thing you did on coin market cap. You scroll down and then you look for what? The contract information. Are you seeing the contract information? You select which of the network BUSD are you using. Let's say we're using the what? The Binance Smart Chain. You copy the Binance Smart Chain contract here. Then select your MetaMask. Make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain. If you're using the Binance Smart Chain contract, then you go here, still click on import tokens, then you paste the contract address you copied, then you scroll down and click on add custom token and then click import tokens. You see? Good. So once you've done that, you will now see what the particular token or coin that you imported is contract address here. So once someone sends that particular coin to you, it will now reflect. But if you've not added the tokens, or you've not imported the contract, once they send, it might be in your wallet, but you won't be able to see it. Do you understand? So let's do it for the last one. Let's say we want to let's say we want to add what else? Let's say we'll go to which other chain? Or let's look for another coin to add. Let's go back to CoinGecko. And then I scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. So let's say I want to add let's say I want to add which other coin? Let's say I want to add, okay, let me say I want to add US Theta, USD or Theta. You click on it, just watch. You click on it, you now choose the particular, under the contract information here, you choose the particular network, which of the particular network you want to add. Then you select down, maybe I want to do Theta, it, okay, by default you see it here. You click on it, copy, then you go back to your MetaMask, navigate to the particular network. Are you seeing? So I'm going to Ethereum, since it's the Theta it I want to add. Then I click on what? Go to import tokens, then you paste. I paste the contract address, select it, and then do next, and then import. Are you seeing? Go back, you will now see USDT, that is US Theta, US dollars Theta, or the Theta US dollar, whatever. So this is it. So this is how easy it is to add what? Tokens to your MetaMask. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, you subscribe, and also do what? Turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to get informed when I drop useful videos like this. Stay blessed.